LAMBDA is a novel that takes place in an imaginary near present. The story is shared between two non-human narrators. Mr. Hello is a government agent made of slime mold protein who is coming to terms with his prior actions. He has a very good memory, but there are some important events he tries hard to exclude from it. His story is entwined with that of Cara Gray, a young woman who, after an abortive career as an activist, becomes a police data surveillance officer. Her perspective is conveyed by a commercial writing application called iNarrator Pro, which aggregates her experience from an extensive supply of personal data. Certain technically advanced objects, such as cars, aeroplanes, and significantly for Cara, toothbrushes, are considered sentient. This category of things may appear no different to non-sentient objects, but interaction with them has legal consequences. A new professional role, the sympathech, has emerged to mediate between objects and end users. Living quietly in the capital are an aquatic subspecies of human beings called lambdas. They resemble land-human babies, with flippers instead of hands and fused legs forming tails. They've coexisted for decades with land-adapted humans thanks to carriers who transport them in water-filled glass bowls. They're employed in low to middle-income jobs, telesales, classroom assistants, image labelling. The lambdas originate in the Labrador Sea and arrive in small numbers on the beaches of Portsmouth and Reykjavik. Cara is tasked with surveilling a mysterious extremist group, the Army of Lambda Ascension. It appears to be a dead end or a hoax, but when a school is bombed, killing everyone inside, the ALA claim responsibility. Cara's role is taken over by a quantum computer, and she is allocated a group of community support officers who work with lambdas to supervise instead. Tensions between land humans and lambdas grow unmanageably. The lives of the activists with whom Cara used to live prove to be tangled in her police work. Mr. Hello emerges as the solution to a problem which could be an official fiction, one whose limits no single person can perceive. LAMBDA is a dystopia, a comedy, and a conspiracy story. LAMBDA is the 11th letter of the Greek alphabet, and it has taken on countless meanings. I emphasize in the epigram a specific meaning in computer coding. In Python code, a lambda function is a small, anonymous function. Cara and Mr. Hello, the lambdas, indeed most of the characters in the novel, are anonymous functions. They're tiny but significant figures in a very large landscape.